Hey, this is Brenda. I thought it would be a good idea to make a video just to introduce myself and to let people know why I decided to make this channel and why I'm doing this. And first of all, I wanted to mention that it was last year in December I had gotten laid off my job, and I didn't know it was coming. It was totally unexpected, and I'll never forget it because it was on a Friday at 4 p.m. And recently before that, I had gone and bought like a really expensive new jacket and some other things. And, just thinking, well, I've got this job. But just shortly thereafter, boom, I'm laid off. And they gave me my last paycheck, and that was that. And I just said to myself, you know what? I am not going back to another 9 to 5. I'm not doing it. And, I'm not a spring chicken because I'm a Gen Xer and I'm going to be 57 in very shortly. And, I mean, let's face it, companies, they don't want to hire someone who is up in age, who's over 50. They don't want that. They want younger people. They can pay them less money, and they can, they don't want older people because they figure they're going to be, wanting a lot of days off because they have health issues and stuff like that. And I just said no. I have to do something different. And at that very moment, I didn't know what that was going to be. But fast forward a few months after that, I had come across this program, the Legacy Builder program, and when I saw it, I didn't have to think twice. I knew that this was going to be the online business that was going to change my life. I knew it. I just knew it. And it was going to be the business that was going to make sure that I do not go back to a 9 to 5. And I'm glad that I made that decision. I still have not gone back, and I don't plan to ever go back. And right now, I mean, everyone can see that it's been hard to make ends meet. I mean, people, they've got, medical bills that they can't pay. So many people are living off their credit card. And people can't even, like me, it's hard to even renew, your car insurance. What if you have a car repair? Can you pay that? Do you know that I was just I just heard about this not too long ago, that I think it's like over 60% of the population, they don't even have $1,000 put aside for an emergency. And that's really, really sad, but it's very real. And, it's something has to change, and the change has to come from you. You have to change. You have to decide I've had enough, and I need to do something different. And for some other people, let's say the baby boomers, they are getting ready to retire, or they are already retired and wondering if they're going to outlive the monies that they have because everything is just so expensive. And they've got to do something about it. There's still time. And so I'm hoping that anyone that comes across this video or my channel or any of my videos, that they will be able to see the opportunity with this, and to see that this is a way for them to get out. And if you look, you can see that butterfly. The butterfly is there, and it's free flying around. There's the mountains, and the ocean is a little bit farther back there, and that butterfly is me. I'm that butterfly because I'm not going back to a 9 to 5. I'm done. And so, they did me a favor by laying me off as far as I'm concerned, because it's forcing me now to have to, make it work without someone, without going to a 9 to 5. I don't want to sit in traffic anymore, and I don't have to. I want to work my own hours, and I'm doing that now. working my own hours, so I have more time to do other things that I really would like to do. It's a way to get your time back. And the good thing about this program is that there are no monthly fees. Once you come into the program, you don't have to worry about it anymore as far as paying monthly fees. And you get a website. It's a turnkey, ready to go website, all done up for you, ready to go, which is awesome. And so that's a really good thing. And you get to keep 100% of the profit. So let's say that you've done sales or multi-level marketing, which is not what this is. This is not either of those. This is a online digital marketing program, and I call it a program because it's not a course. It is a program. And if you sell the program, you get to keep 100% of it. So you get the lion's share. Usually, if you're in one of these, multi-level marketings, or if you do a sales job and you get a commission, someone else is getting, a large cut, or most of it, and you get just a little piece. Well, you're putting in the same effort anyway, so you might as well get all of it, right? So this allows you to do that, and that's what makes it so nice. And that's why when you hear, hey, you can make $900 a day, that's really true, and people are doing it. And the next person to do it could be you. And so it definitely is being done. And the support that we have is awesome. We have what we call a DGC, our digital growth community, and we have people from all over the world in this program, South Africa and on all the continents, really. And we support each other. So, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself, because you have the support. Like 24/7, somebody's always in the community. So if let's say that you started a new social media, and you need someone to just look at your stuff and maybe critique you, or follow you, or whatever. We help each other because we want everyone to be successful. And our mentor, Michelle, she has a goal, a specific goal, and her goal is to create 1,000 self-made millionaires. And she is on her way to do that. And she sets the example. Every day she brings it. She doesn't miss a day. And she puts her money where her mouth is. And so that is well respected, well respected. And she's a millionaire herself, self-made, and she feels that other people can do it. They just need to know about the program. And so that's why, when I make my videos, I try to encourage people to believe in their self, and to, go ahead and check it out and see what it is, and see if it could really make a difference for them. It's making a difference for a lot of people. My website, passiveinkomewithdigitalproducts.com, if you go there, you'll see where you can put in your email, and then once you do that, it's going to open up to where you can see exactly what the program is and all what you get. You're going to be blown away. I think it's underpriced, but that's just my opinion. And you'll see everything there, and you can send me an email, and then I'll respond back to it, because I want to help you to succeed as well. And so that's the thing. Anyway, I'm going to be making some more videos where I'll be breaking down other methods and things that we're learning in the program, so you can really see that it's well worth it. But for now, I just wanted to say hello to everyone, and I just hope that you um, that you can do this to help not just yourself, but also your family, or even your friends. People are hurting, and maybe you can be the difference, to help them. So thank you very much for listening.